Shooting and editing videos for YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms has for some time given budding content creators a lot of headache. This is because the activities have in the past been expensive and too demanding, if not complex. Not anymore. These days, one does not need a camera and training on video editing to achieve this. With a mobile phone, it is very simple to create content for your YouTube channel or other social media platforms. First, make sure you have a nice phone with a good camera. Then, get a tripod. This is a stand that you will use to fix your phone while shooting. For editing, get an editing app. In this video, we will use Inshot. I take you through basic video shooting and editing skills using not a computer, but your mobile phone. I will take you through a journey of creating YouTube video by a friend who is lifestyle vlogger on the channel under the name This is Fash. In this video, she takes you through steps of how to make yogurt at home, and with her permission, I take you through her steps in creating the video. Link to the full video is in the description. Take short videos of different episodes. Make sure that they are clear videos. Zoom where necessary or move the camera depending on what you want to focus on. At times you might need to detach your tripod if your scope of shooting is not spacious enough. Make sure that both your front and back cameras are working and of good quality. You might need to use both interchangeably. Once you are done with shooting, get set for the next task. Editing. This might take you some minutes, if not hours, depending on the length of the video or the complexity of editing. Download the app of your choice from the Play Store. In this case we use Inshot. Install the app. From there, go to Create New. Choose either video, photo, or collage depending on what you are editing. In this case, we choose video as we are editing videos. Once done, use the basic editing tools to edit your video to one that you want. You may want to trim, pre-cut, split, or crop. Also, you may need to add filters, rotate, flip, or add a voice effect. Other tools you may need to use include adding text in a case you want to have a written message on your video, add stickers such as emojis, increase or reduce the speed of videos, or even animate your videos. All these tools, if used well, will give you a good video at the end. Play along with the tools until you get the ideal video. In this video, this is Fash uses a number of the tools and the final video is amazing. In case you need to fix customized videos or audios, you just add them as you edit. Make sure you know where they are saved on your phone. Inshot is an app that is quite simple to use and the output is simply amazing. Thank you for watching. For more videos of this kind, please subscribe to my channel. Also, like and share this video to reach out to budding content creators. This is Dan Kimathi.